Stop heating your coconut. What if I told you that almost every homemade coconut oil tutorial all over the internet is completely ruining the product before they even bottle it? By boiling, cooking, or frying the coconut milk on a hot stove, they are scorching the delicate fatty acids, destroying the vital hair proteins, and turning a raw healing superfood into a basic dead cooking grease. So today I'm pulling back the curtain on exclusive traditional tropical secret, which is sun-fermented cold pressing. This method requires absolutely zero heat, no expensive machinery, and zero shortcuts. My gorgeous, watch closely because I'm going to show you how to let the power of natural sunlight separate the pure liquid gold for you. Plus, if you stay until very end, I'm going to show you how to turn this single process into a complete zero waste ritual by extracting 3 entirely separate luxury beauty products from just few simple fruits I've used too. Hello everyone, welcome back here, your exclusive digital sanctuary where we strip away synthetic chemical fillers and transform raw botanical ingredients into very high performance DIY beauty rituals. My dear, if you love natural hair cares, flawless skin remedies, and mastering the art of authentic homemade oils, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and join our community. Today, we are putting our stove away, stepping out into the sun, and extracting the purest cold pressed coconut oil from scratch. Stay tuned. Before we crack a single shell, you need to understand why cold pressed oil is the ultimate holy grail for hair and skin. Alright, let me tell you, when coconut oil is extracted without heat, it preserves 100% of its medium chain fatty acids, vitamin E, and natural proteins. Then, this pure molecular structure allows it to actually pass through the hair cuticle to prevent protein loss, repair deep structural damage, and lock in moisture like nothing else on the earth. It softens as well dry strands, promotes explosive hair growth, and forms a flawless shield on your skin barrier. You only get these results if you keep it completely out of equations. Let me show you exactly what we need to get started. To unlock this zero waste luxury, here is your precise checklist. I have used only 2 mature coconuts. Okay? I can suggest to look for the brown hairy ones like this. Don't use young green drinking coconuts as they don't have enough fat content. First of all, we have to open our coconut to extract our coconut oil from it. So I did by using a hammer. If you don't have it or if you have your own way, that's okay. So the next step is to collect the water to keep in the bowl. We're gonna need it. Then wash correctly after and skin it, peeling it by using a knife or spoon. Well, so for me, I don't like this brownish milk. That is why I'm removing this inner skin, but it's okay for you. I have seen that many people keep it. That's all right. Well, we have to chop this white coconut meat and dump it into a blender base. Let's begin. Chop them into very small manageable chunks, then put in a blender as I'm doing it. When I'm doing that, I'm just make sure that to blend it with a high speed until it looks like thick white cream. Step 2 is to blend to a perfect paste, the perfect one. So dump your chopped coconut paste straight into the blender. Now pour in that natural coconut water we saved from step 1. So I have mixed with my water over there. So pour in it there as I'm doing it. Well, If your blender blades get stuck, add just a tiny splash of warm water, but mine doesn't. Never hot to keep it moving. Don't over dilute it. Well, blend on high speed until it forms an incredibly smooth, milky white satin paste like this. We want to completely break down the cellular walls of the coconut fiber so it releases every single drop of raw cream. Step 3, we extract our raw milk. Pour that blended white mousse straight into your cheesecloth. Gather the edges tightly. Twist the top to lock it, but I have used a funnel, so there is no need of using a cheesecloth for this moment. So I have been squeezing it with all your strength. So you can try it, that's okay. Well, keep twisting and compressing the pulp until it feels completely dry in your hands. Just try it, see that? So all the milk have been extracting, nothing remaining. See, I'm staying with this. But don't throw away, keep it. Stop right there. Don't throw this dry leftover pulp in the trash, I beg. This is pure high density fiber. We are going to save this in a side bowl. And later in the video, I'm going to show you how to turn this into premium gluten-free coconut flour and stimulating scalp scrub. We let nature do the heavy lifting today. Pour your raw concentrated coconut milk straight into your clean, clear glass jar and seal the lid tightly. Or you can use any bowl that you have, but make sure that it is well sealed to keep out any moisture or airborne bacteria. Now, we use the traditional tropical secret, which is solar dehydration. Place this tropical secret to your friend as well. This jar has to be directly in the bright sunlight. A sunny windowsill or outdoor balcony is perfect. The gentle, natural warmth of the sun acts as a perfect incubator, triggering an elegant natural fermentation process without ever overheating the nutrients. Wash the jar closely instead of taking 2 full days in a dark cupboard. The sun will cause the mixture to rapidly split into 3 distinct, beautiful layers in just 4 to 8 hours. What I have used, for me, it takes only 6 hours to get this. Look right here, you will see a thick, white, solid layer of coconut cream form at the very top. If my camera is bad, but see that. At the bottom, you will see a clear, watery, whey liquid. And stuck right in the middle is our crystal clear, pure liquid gold, our unrefined cold-pressed coconut oil. Now, let's claim our zero waste rewards. Let's take our pulp, take that dry coconut pulp we saved from the blender while we are waiting for fermentation to finish. Spread it out our pan, then dry gently, but you can even dry on the sun outside, that's okay. We're gonna toss it back into dry blender so until you have 100 pure organic gluten-free coconut flour for your kitchen. So I have also rebranded it to be too soft. So I'm going to use, I have already need it for my hair and for my baking. I will show you how to use it. Well, you can mix the wet pulp with a few drops of your fresh oil to create an exfoliating scalp scrub that lifts, builds up, and stimulates growth. One process-free luxury beauty product. It's time for harvest the oil. Because our liquid gold is trapped right in the middle of the jar, my white bowl, it can be messy to scoop out at room temperature. Here is the ultimate trick to claim your prize flawlessly. Place the entire jar into the refrigerator as I'm doing it. But listen carefully, don't leave it in there for hours. Coconut oil freezes incredibly fast. If you forgot about it, the whole jar will freeze into a solid white block. We are looking for the perfect window exactly 45 to 60 minutes. Watch this! The top white curd layer has frozen into a solid lock. Hard shelled, but our pure oil layer underneath is still a cold pureable liquid. Take a clean knife or anything, then take off this curd to a bowl where we are going to get our oil from it, then put in a trash this water. Like in a garden, it is useless. Whoa, have you seen how much curd do I have only in 2 coconuts which are not big? So that is the pure coconut oil that we are going to get from here, but I did double checking to extract any curd so that I couldn't make sap for any oil. Well, so the next step, we are going to cover it with that plastic food bag, or you can cover it with anything, but make sure that there is no air in it so that the bacteria can enter, then it can ruin our process. Alright, so let's put it under the sun on window where there is a room temperature for a few hours. You will see some change. Can you see that? We have 2 layers. Wow, the oil is on the top. Can you see that? Here there is. Wow. Just in only 2. I was doing this experiment just to double check if after drinking that water, because I normally buy this coconut for water only, just to drink that water. It is very nutritious. It cures many diseases. It helps joints. Even in stomach and liver malfunction, just help that. Alright, so we are going to scoop it until we're gonna get the oil. See that? Then after that, we have to filter it by using a cheesecloth or any way to filter your oil. Finally, don't forget, tap subscribe if you enjoy this content so that we can build a huge community. My mother-in-law was just telling me that this is the cure that they used to do in their country, in the Caribbean. So now I'm trying it. See, don't mess up with this. We're gonna use for hair. This is pure coconut fat and protein cream. Don't throw it away. Whip it up in a bowl. Apply it to your hair for a few minutes from roots to the end as deep conditioning protein mask. Leave it on for 20 minutes and wash it out for unbelievable hair softness. You will thank me later, I can tell. Could you imagine that? Today we have used 1 ingredient for 3 different uses. We didn't lose anything. So store your pure cold pressed oil in a clean glass bottle in a cool place as well. It will stay fresh for months. Did you have any idea that the sun and your fridge could work together to extract the purest oil on earth without a stove? Let me know down in the comments below, please. Are you going to use this for your hair growth journey, your skincare routine, or are you excited to make that zero waste coconut flour? If this video brought you value, smash that like button. Subscribe to Evolver Official and share it with a friend. Thank you for creating with me today. Keep your beauty authentic. Keep it zero waste, and I will see you in the next breakdown. See you!